when I first moved here, this was absolute activity. All these buildings were where all the fruit and veg came in from all over Europe. So there'd be lorries coming in at night and stacks of fruit. So it was the old market. And now that's been moved somewhere else, and now it's been taken over by the Creative Quarter, as it's called, and encouraging small ethical businesses. So we just want to do a test. Bill. We have a chocolate shop here.
Ah.
Okay.
What's my test?
Can you feel that beat? I feel that beat. Can you feel that beat?
I feel that beat.
The beat of justice.
The beat of justice.
The beat of change.
The beat of change.
Chocolate. That beat.
I feel that beat.
That beat, beat, beat.
That beat, beat, beat.
The beat of chocolate.
The beat of change.
Can you feel that beat?
I feel that beat.
That fair trade beat.
That fair trade beat.
That justice beat.
That justice beat.
That humanity beat.
That humanity beat.
That beat, beat, beat.
That beat, beat, beat.
The beat of justice.
The beat of justice. The beat of change.
Direct trade.
Direct trade.
Direct trade.
Direct trade.
Justice.
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 Women
run.
Justice. Justice.
Women run.
Justice. 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 Chocolate. Justice.
Chocolate. Justice. Chocolate. Justice. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Hello everybody, this is Louise's Vegan Chocolate Shop. What we do here is we work with farmers all around the world to empower mainly females in the country of origin to grow better cacao, to better their crops so they actually get paid a higher income. We directly trade with them to build relationships that are ongoing and that build a sustainable kind of like working relationship as well as a farming practice, which is really good for the environment. It's great for the communities because it helps enable the farmers to actually come together, make better quality cacao, but also enable them to kind of reach out to their communities, work in tandem. These are females that are kind of have a lot of injustices, especially in Colombia and places like that. They've been involved in the farm, their husbands have taken over, or they're very, I want to be careful what I say, but it's quite a misogynistic kind of setup out there. So this is to empower females to actually get more money, feed their families, to send their kids to school, and in turn, build a better relationship around cocoa. Chocolate's changing. Chocolate is not about deforestation, it's about small batch farming, so the farmers all multi-crop, they kind of use around them and they grow different products all year round, so it's about creating a sustainable farming practice as well. So,
Thank you.
no pesticides, just keeping it natural and keeping what the planet needs.
As
It's
people
great
like you
cocoa.
bring these values and ways of expressing these values into our lexicon of language, more and more people hear this and say it to each other, and after a while I think this is happening now, after a while you're not just a political hard ass as a result of having these beliefs, but you're a person who's just compassionate towards your fellow human beings.
Catherine's got an announcement.
Catherine.
We want that to be the norm, don't we? That
Yeah.
should be the norm way.
Yes.
It shouldn't be. One day, we don't want that to be radical.
Right.
And why don't we, let's all buy something and we'll pay for it from the budget. Let's do that.
I mean, it's about a relationship with humans, because often a lot of our customers are vegan and they come in and that's the first thing they're concerned about. But vegan doesn't mean it's ethical, vegan doesn't mean it's necessarily good for the planet. So, it's about caring for mankind, I think, and it's a whole ethos, not just part of one. So I think it's really, you can't have one and separate it from the other. We should be inclusive of everybody's values and not just get hung up on the vegan aspect. I think it's about, caring for the planet as a whole and human beings.
That's correct. That's correct.
Impact on human lives, which is important, like animals.
So Catherine just said that each of the persons here will be gifted a piece of chocolate of their choice.
Yeah.
Coming from our budget, so amen. Let's give this wonderful
Take advantage of
this
it,
wonderful Louise's chocolate. You are Louise?
I'm Louisa.
Yes. Louisa. Louisa.